If you have been wondering how to get that smooth, glowing, healthy skin without spending a fortune, I found the answer for you guys. This Korea skincare game changed my skin completely, and today I'm spilling every details just for you guys. Don't tell anybody. Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. So today we are diving deep into some of my absolute favorite Korea skincare products. The one that have truly made a difference in my skin. Have been using them constantly, and let me tell you, they have earned their place on my shelf. You heard that. Now, this isn't sponsored, I wish. This is just me sharing what I have genuinely been loving. I will be telling you what each one does, how it feels on the skin, and little tips I've learned along the way. So grab your tea, sit back, and let's talk skincare. So let's start with a true glow getter, the Anua Niacinamide 10% TXA 4% serum. This is my little brightening powerhouse. Yes, niacinamide at 10% is perfect for refining pores, smoothing texture, and reducing uneven tone. Then we have triazamide acid. This is the magic ingredient for stubborn dark spots and post-acne marks. I noticed that over a few weeks, my skin just started looking more even and calm. It's lightweight, sinks so quickly, and it doesn't peel under makeup, which is a huge win for me. I love using it in the morning right after toner. It's like setting a bright, healthy tone for the day. If you are dealing with discoloration or want that natural radiant skin, this one is a keeper. I already have backup, guys. This is the one I'm using right now, and I have backup already. And speaking of setting good base for the day, let's talk about the toner that make all my serum work even better. So this is Round Lab 1025 toner, and honestly it's like giving my skin a bag of glass of mineral water. It's made with deep sea water that is rich in natural mineral, which keep my skin hydrated and calm. It's also got gently exfoliation property, nothing harsh, just enough to smooth out dead skin cells. So everything else I use absorb beautifully. I love using this right after cleansing. Sometimes I apply it with a cotton pad. Other time I just pat it in my hand, and yeah, it's refreshing, not sticking, and perfect for sensitive skin. This is one of those products that does not scream for attention, but when you stop using it, you will really miss it. So don't sleep on this one. Now, once my skincare is prepped with toner, I go in with a moisturizer that feels like pure comfort. This is Mighty Bamboo Panthenol cream. Is literally my skin security blanket. Bamboo extra is rich in I think in silica, which strengthens the skin, and Panthenol is incredibly soothing. It's called a moisturizer barrier cream for a reason. It does not just hydrate, it locks that hydration, and so your skin stays protected all day. I love the texture. We are out already. Rich but not greasy, so it works beautifully in the day under SPF or at night before bed. Whenever my skin feels sensitive, a bit red, or just tired, I reach for this and wake up with calm, soft skin. It's a great everyday moisturizer, but it's absolutely my rescue cream on a bad skin days. Now, if you want to feel a little fancy and refreshed throughout the day, the next one is my go-to. We have backups as well for this product. Already, I do that all the time. It's the First Spray Serum. Yes, I got this one on Amazon. I think, yes. This is my luxury in a bottle. The First Spray Serum. It's a double layer formula enriched with white truffle extract from Italy, which sounds as fancy as it feels. You shake it, spritz it, and instantly your skin feels hydrated and glowing. I use it as a toner step sometimes, but I also keep it on my desk on refresh my skin throughout the day. It's makeup friendly, no smudging, just a light dewy boost. I love it for my bride. It's especially a lifesaver in a dry weather. I have a dry skin. Honestly, the ritual of spraying it feels so pampering. It's like a mini spa moment every time. So yeah guys, this is my backup. I told you I have backup already. If I don't like it, yeah, you should do the math. Speaking of hydration and repairing, the next product is my skin little miracle worker. Did you hear that? So you don't want to sleep on this one. It's the Jumiso Snail Mucin 95 plus peptide facial essence. This is what it looks like. We are done, we are out, and we are going to buy another one. So yes, this essence is a game changer. You heard that. With 95% snail mucin, it's incredibly healing and hydrating. Add in peptide, you have already got a product that that supports collagen production and for firmer, smoother skin. Sorry about that. I use this when I want my skin to bounce back, whether it's after a breakout, too much sun, or just a stressful week. It glides on like slick and leave my skin looking plump and fresh. I know snail mucin can sound a bit unusual, but trust me, once you try it, you will understand why it's such a holy grail in Korea skincare. You hear that? Now for my night care repair, the next cream work while I sleep. So we have two here. I'm out already. It's Missha Time Revolution Night Repair Cream 5 times. And this is what it looks like. We are already done. It's out. Yes. Yeah. Let me show you the second bottle. This cream is basically my overnight skin reset, packed with probiotic and fermented ingredients. It works while I sleep to restore and brighten my skin. I love this product so much. It's inspired by luxury products, but at a much friendlier price. I love how nourished my skin feels when I wake up, smooth, elastic and refreshed, and almost like I've had a facial in a sleep. If you are into anti-aging or just want a cream that does serious repair work overnight, this is such a solid choice. I said it was inspired by a luxurious cream, because if you feel the texture, you definitely understand what I mean. This is so good. Like I said, I'm already done. I have two that I've used already, and yeah, we are going to buy another one. I don't have backup for this one right now, but definitely I am getting another one soon. Anytime I'm buying skincare, I am going to get this one again, because I just love the way it feels on the skin, and not just the way it feels, it also works wonder for my skin as well. So if you are looking for a very good Korea skin care overnight cream, get your hand on this one. You will never regret it, I promise you. So now, if my skin is feeling extra dry or dull, I reach for this next one. Yes, don't miss out of this one, guys. So it's called Pyunkang Yule Nutrition Cream. I hope I'm pronouncing it very well. Yeah, I am out as well. This cream lasted me for months. When I say months, yes, this is my rich buttery deep hydrating cream, guys. Pyunkang you make products that are simple, gentle and effective, and this cream is all of that. It's packed with botanical extracts that nourish and protect the skin barrier. We are done. I especially love using it at night in winter. It's lock in, moisturize and keep my skin soft till morning. So if you have a dry or mature skin, this is like wrapping your face in a warm blanket. Yes, you hear that. So speaking of glow, the next Ampoule is all about radiance, guys. Radiance is TIRTIR cream Ampoule, TIRTIR ceramic milk Ampoule, glow, moisture and nourishing. And this is what it looks like here. This Ampoule gives instant glow. It has a milky texture that is deep hydrating but absorb beautifully. It nourishes and smooth the skin, so makeup just glides on top. I use this when I want the glass skin effect. It just make my skin look healthy and luminous. It's perfect in both morning and night, but I use it in the night, and a little goes a long way. A little goes a long way. We are done, right? I'm done with this one right now. And if I am being honest, I don't know if I'm going to buy it again. Yeah, if I am being honest with you guys, but it's really good if you are looking for a good ample nourishing milk. Yeah, it's really good. You get the gist already. Now for the toner lovers like me, here is another one I keep on rotation. Is this one right here. Pyunkang SS toner. Yeah, I actually got this one as a gift when I bought a lot of Korea skin products from Korea brand. So this is an essence type toner, so it's thicker and more hydrating than your average toner. It's made with milk Veta's roots extract, which is nourishing and smoothing. I love patting this in after cleansing, sometimes in multiple layer for that deep bouncy hydration. It's amazing for sensitive skin and for people who want minimal but effective ingredients. Finally, my brightening hero. We have two that we don't use already. Is the Dokdo Ethic Vitamin C Boosting Serum. Yeah, they are both out. We are out, and hopefully I'm gonna get another bottle soon. So this is my go-to for a brightening, more even skin tone. It's packed with sea buchado water, which is natural, rich in vitamin C. I'm gonna put it on the screen. It's gently but still effective. It's help fade dark spots, give my skin that fresh morning glow, and layer really well with other products without irritation. I use this mostly in the morning. Of course, it's vitamin C for that all-day brightening boost. So yeah. So guys, those are my current Korea skincare loves. Each one has its own special place in my routine, yes, and together they have kept my skin healthy, hydrated, and glowing. If you have tried any of these, let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you want me to do a full Korea skincare routine in action video, I can definitely film that for you. Just for you. Hello. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with a skincare loving friend like me. See you in the next one, and please continue watching this video here that YouTube just suggested to you because they believe you're going to like it and learn something as well from it. Other than that, I will see you in my next one.